You can create a realistic AI avatar, give it a natural voice, and turn your script into a talking video, all from right here. And the best part? You don't have to use just one avatar style. There are 3 different types available, and later, I'll show you how to create a completely custom avatar from scratch.
Google Vids already has a variety of pre-made avatars that you can use. You can also create your own custom avatar. And if you want more creative options, you can choose from realistic, 3D cartoon, and 2D cartoon avatars as well.
We'll start by testing the ready-made avatars. Create a custom one, choose the right voice. And then I'll show you a really useful voiceover feature that can make AI speech sound much more natural and expressive. So let's start with the avatars. There are actually 3 avatar types available here: realistic, 3D cartoon, and 2D cartoon. First, let's test the realistic avatars.
This silk wallpaper adds a sophisticated touch of texture.
For this video, I'm going to select the avatar with the softer, higher-pitched voice. Now, all you need to do is paste your script here and click Create. The tool will automatically generate the AI voice for you. You can also listen to the preview right here before generating the final video. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. You won't see the actual lip sync until the video finishes rendering. So let's render it and see how the final result looks.
Google Vids already has a variety of pre-made avatars that you can use. You can also create your own custom avatar. And if you want more creative options, you can choose from realistic, 3D cartoon, and 2D cartoon avatars as well.
Here's another feature that's surprisingly useful. You can actually edit the transcript directly. Just right-click on any text, and you can add or change content right there. So if you need to fix a line, add something, or make a quick change, you don't have to rebuild the whole thing. And once the transcript is ready, you can also improve the presentation with captions. Google Vids already includes ready-made caption templates, so you don't have to create the design yourself.
And if you want more creative options, you can choose from realistic, 3D cartoon, and 2D cartoon avatars as well.
And now the video looks much more polished. Once everything is ready, you can share the video anywhere. And when you want to save it, just click here and download the finished video to your device. But now, let's take this one step further. Instead of using a ready-made avatar, let's create our own custom AI avatar. Click on Avatars, and this time we're going to create a custom one. And honestly, this part is even easier than it sounds. Just click here, and you'll get a dashboard like this. First, you can choose the gender. I'm going with male. Then you can define the age, so I'll select young adult. There's also a details section, but that's optional. So if you want, you can describe exactly what you want. For this example, I'll simply type, a young British boy. Now, let's click Create and see what it generates. And this is where it gets interesting. It generates 4 different avatar options, so you can choose whichever one fits your video best. I'll select the one I like, and now we can move on to something just as important as the avatar itself, the voice. Once you've selected your avatar, you'll get voice recommendations. Here, it's recommending 2 different voices. So let's listen to both and compare them.
Let's brighten up this project with a fresh, vibrant idea. It's going to create an atmosphere so inviting, everyone will forget to check their email.
This feature is so exciting, it's like a corporate roller coaster.
For me, Neo's voice sounds the best, especially for a documentary-style video. So that's the one I'm going to use. Now, give your avatar a good name, and then simply click Create. And that's it. Your custom AI avatar is ready. You can even check a demo preview here. But remember, just like before, you won't see the complete lip sync until the video has finished rendering. So let's check the final result.
I'm a custom AI avatar, and I was created by Bulva AI.
Now you've seen how to create a custom avatar and how to use the ready-made AI avatars. But there's still one major part we haven't covered yet, the voiceover. And luckily, you can create that right here too. Click on Voiceover, then click on Chang. From here, you can choose any of the ready-made voices.
This silk wallpaper is so elegant, your video calls will look like they were shot on a movie set. Who needs a green screen?
This coffee is so good, your meeting notes might accidentally turn into poetry.
Once you've selected your voice, simply type or paste your script here. But this is where Google Vids has another really interesting feature. Gemini can actually analyze your script and automatically add audio tags to make the voice sound more natural and expressive. All you have to do is click Apply Audio Tags, and Gemini handles the rest. Now look at what it does. Instead of treating the entire script like plain text, it adds different delivery instructions based on the context. You'll see things like long pauses, medium pauses, and different delivery attributes added directly into the script. And the interesting part is that all of this is clearly visible before you generate the final voiceover. So instead of manually figuring out every pause and every change in delivery, Gemini is helping structure the performance for you. Now let's generate it and hear the final result.
London, December 1952. The city was preparing for winter. Streets were crowded, buses moved through the capital, and thousands of homes burned coal to keep warm.
If you want more practical AI workflows like this, subscribe to Balva AI because we're constantly testing tools and turning them into simple, step-by-step tutorials.